there, Anna McPherson from the agency, and I cannot wait to show you this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, a stone's throw to the Bowls Club. Meticulously kept and offering a functional floor plan, I love the way the corner kitchen with gas cooking connects effortlessly through to the dining and outdoor entertaining space. All situated on a fenced 700-metre square allotment with limited neighbours and established gardens and veggie patch. If you'd like to own your piece of paradise here in Yeppoon, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.